presenter of this delegate session is Dr. Christina Nicholas.
Thank you, and hello to everybody. Thank you, Dr. Sati. And
you are
hello.
welcome, and you have 10 minutes with you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Just started to share my screen. Is it visible, please?
Yes, it is visible, yes.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, hello everyone from Romania, from Valahia University of the city of Târgoviște, a city of about 80,000 inhabitants, just 80 kilometers nearby Bucharest capital. So, hello everyone from all over the world. And thank you for the opportunity to present today. You may see on this slide what's the content that I am trying to speak. I will be hopefully within the minutes that have been allocated to me. About the organic farming, I will just present shortly because it was discussed previously and also in previous days, as well as about some treaties, international or European level treaties that speak about organic farming and bioagriculture and biodiversity. Then few words on correlation between local needs and the research and innovation we are performing in universities and research centers. And in the end, a few words about experience of Valahia University team that has been working on some comparisons in these comparison studies in this area. So with regards to organic farming, a lot of things have been already discussed in this summer school. I just want to point out on this slide, this last row that you might know for sure, most of you, that the European Union has some ambitious plans with this Green Deal that was adopted in the end of 2019, and it was actually started to be discussed all over the member states between up to now in 2020 and 2021. A lot of measures have been already started to be implemented. Just one word here about how, according to Eurostat, which is the European Office for Statistics that are collected from all over the member states, one may observe that the organic farming area had growth, a significant growth in the last years. My presentation is up to the year 2019, just because this is the availability of statistical data. But just to have an idea, you may see how the increase has been recorded. And I am happy to see, while I made this documented search for this presentation, that my country, Romania, also had a significant increase from the year 2012 up to the year 2019. Here I just wanted to give the most updated data, just that for the year 2020, no data were available for all the states. So this is why actually my comments are all referring to this 2019, which is also just nearby. So you may see that actually the increase was of about 46% at the level of EU27. And once these numbers are compared, just let's keep in mind that in these statistics, total organic area is made of some certified area plus area under conversion from conventional to organic, because you might know that this process may take 2 or 3 years. In terms of distribution of these organic farming areas around the EU 27, we may observe that there are some countries, I mean, more than 50% are made of these countries that are, let's say, champion of organic farming at the level of European Union. But as I said just before, most of the countries within the European Union had increased their organic farming areas. And just about the EU Green Deal, I would like to emphasize that one of the ambition is that 25% of the total farmland under organic farming will be dedicated to organic farming by 2030. And one of the, I mean, 2 of the important steps that have been already done is the adoption of from farm to fork strategy, as well as the adopted Horizon Europe program, which is a research and innovation program. Most of you already know about this. At least we in countries of European Union are looking for the call for proposals for research projects that are published. Then one word on this slide with regards to the importance of correlation between research and innovation to local needs. And this may lead to a better implementation of organic farming. And now in the last minutes that I will take, I just want to introduce you colleagues around the world to some actions, some research and innovation actions that we've been performing here in Valahia University of Târgoviște, Romania. We've been, I've just put here 2 pillars. One was we've been involved in valorization of some products that are usually considered byproducts or secondary products, byproducts, and we've been studied them with regards to phytochemical composition, and in the end we've succeeded by generating some added value by obtaining some cosmetical products. In the other pillar, I will give some information about a project that we have under implementation at the moment, and where we are dealing with the storage of fresh fruits, both from the perspective of phytochemistry, but as well as from the perspective of using IoT, Internet of Things, for monitoring the quality of storage. So these are the details that we've been doing. Actually, we did a study taking 2 parallel vineyards. One was in conventional management system, the other one in organic system, and we studied the same 4 grape varieties from each of it. And then we made some extractions with different solvents and with different extraction methods. We've published this information, and I will give just in next slide some links. So what we have done here was to apply physicochemical and instrumental analysis to study the characteristics of the byproducts resulted from this.
Hello,
conventional. Yes, it's most probably I'm at the limit.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Right. Okay, so 1 minute. Do I have 1 minute more?
Yes.
Okay, thank you then. Okay, so anyhow, I will be finishing soon. So I just wanted to say that actually we decided that one of the organic vineyards was proved to be very valuable for some cosmetic products, and we sent also a patent application that is approved at the moment. And this also is another project where we've been studying this comparison between organic and conventional cultures. But well, some details might be seen in this open access materials, if they open or if that not. So this is a book chapter that you may see on this site. Or also there are some other publications that you may see on the website. So I think this is it, and thank you for your attention and for following me on this presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Christina, so much for your presentation. Now